BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has once again confirmed yet another issue over on their known issues health dashboard page, and this time it's affecting both Windows 11 and also Windows 10 users. Now, Microsoft does say that the issue has actually been caused by a recent security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender. And the update was build 1.381.2140.0. And what the issue was for some users is that after installing that update for Microsoft Defender, some desktop shortcuts could be deleted or missing. Also, the same applied to any start menu shortcuts, and shortcuts pinned to the taskbar could be also missing or deleted. And over and above that problem, there were reports that some users were experiencing errors when trying to run executable.exe files, which have dependencies on shortcut files. So quite a bit going on with shortcuts with that recent security intelligence build update to Microsoft Defender. Now, affected devices, according to Microsoft, have the attack surface reduction ASR rule, which is block Win32 API calls from Office macro when that is enabled. Now, that's quite a mouthful, but the long and the short of all that is that attack surface reduction rule basically means those are the places where an organization or an enterprise is most vulnerable to attack or threat. So Windows devices, Microsoft does say, the good news is that if you are an average home user, a consumer, or are running a small office, you are most probably not likely to be affected by this issue. But the reason I am posting this video is just in case you are just an average home user and you have experienced any shortcuts suddenly being deleted or missing from your desktop start menu or taskbar, just to keep you in the loop and just to let you know what's going on. Now, the issue, according to Microsoft, has actually been resolved. And they resolved this late yesterday in my region on the 13th of January. And it's actually quite a simple fix. All you need to do is, if you are affected, is just to head over to your Windows Security app, head over to Virus and Threat Protection, head down to Virus and Threat Protection Updates, click on Protection Updates, and just check that you have the latest Security Intelligence Update installed. It's that simple. And apparently Microsoft says that the issue is resolved with build and version 1.381.2164.0 or later. So yeah, you can see I'm already on 2181. So I didn't experience the issue, but if you are on 2164 or later, then that security intelligence update will resolve the issue and stop those shortcuts being deleted from your desktop start menu or taskbar. And although the issue has been resolved, unfortunately at this stage, Microsoft says though, the actual new update will not restore any previously deleted shortcuts. So that's unfortunate. So you'll need to recreate or restore those shortcuts through other methods according to Microsoft. But if you have been affected, just head to your protection updates, check for updates, and just make sure you have build 1.381.2164.0 or later installed. And you can also check for updates by heading over to your Windows Update page and just checking for updates there as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.